What a strange question. Why does addiction exist? In many ways, one wishes we lived in a society where we didn't have a question such as that. But there's a very good reason why addiction exists. Addiction is a very important process for the mind. It's a very important stopgap. Before feeling utterly hopeless, addiction is there to provide some level of control, some level of meaningful power that an individual can wrestle back when they're feeling truly and utterly powerless. If I'm in a world where I have a dwindling sense of individuality, a dwindling sense of agency, I need some way to usurp that control back. And in the mind, we know this is what addiction does. It is a vital part of the cognitive processes of regaining control. Unfortunately, the targets of addiction are almost always very damaging. Alcohol, narcotics, processes such as work. In some ways, the mind tries to wrestle back control, tries to offset the anxiety of feeling utterly helpless, utterly powerless in any given situation. Why does addiction exist? Because without it, life would be meaningless. We would simply give in. We would feel powerless and nothing would matter. In some ways, we reach out for a new target, a new place of safety, a new place of control, a way to feel like the world does have some kind of meaning. Addiction exists, in some ways, as the halfway house of control. Again, the target, never good, never often realizes meaningful change. Difficult questions to significant others can make us feel utterly powerless, utterly hopeless. And instead of asking those questions to them, it is much easier and safer to redirect that sense of power and control to an object that can't talk back. This is why addiction exists. In some ways, in our psychology, we need to wrestle back control.